Saturday morning 11:30. After visiting Barachuki Falls, we continued the journey to our next destination, Somanathpura, Kesavatambi. It is 44 kilometers from Barachuki Falls and will take an hour to reach here. I took the e-pass and entered inside.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
900.
Keshava Temple. It is a Vaishnava Hindu temple on the banks of river Kaveri at Somanathpura in Karnataka. The construction of this temple was caused by Somnatha, a higher officer under Hoysala King Narasimha III between 1254 and 1291 AD. This temple is a model illustration of the Hoysala architecture. This is my third visit to this temple, but this time I took the help of an authorized guide of archaeology department to know the facts and history of this temple.
The dynasty belongs to pure Kannada dynasty. The dynasty people, they ruled across the southern part of India 10th century to middle of 13th century. Nearly they ruled 350 years. Then their period across the southern part of India, they built 92 temples like us. In the 92 temples, especially 3 temples are the worldwide famous temple. They are Beluru, Alayapura, this area called as his name Somanathpura. But this temple highly dedicated to Vishnu, Lord Vishnu. Our Lord Vishnu first name called as Keshava. That's why this temple name called as Keshava temple.
So Channakeshava means beautiful.
Channakeshava is Belur temple.
Oh, this is not
This is not Channakeshava. This is only the Keshava temple.
Oh, this is not Channakeshava.
This is not Channakeshava. Belur temple,
So
Channakeshava.
people misunderstood
This
that.
is misunderstood by the people.
This is the inscription.
This is Kannada inscription. Archaeological Survey of India, they have discovered some inscription.
Okay.
Yes, on the top you observe sir, that is a Venugopal, Keshava, Janardana. It is all 3 different names of Vishnu.
Okay.
But this temple built in 1268. In 1311, this temple 2 times attacked by Malik Kafur.
Okay.
But Malik Kafur, he was the chief commander of Alauddin Khilji. When that
So since
1958 declared as a monument.
So now this is under the archaeological
Yes,
department,
this is now maintained by chlorotic cyst. Actually, the cyst, when it is removed, the earth, it is a very, very soft. When it was exposed to weather, it comes to become very, very hard. That's why this stone is very easy to carve in. That's why our Vaisala people, they use only this type of stone. This stone carry from Tumukuru. From here 130 kilometers there. Even today also this type of stone available in there.
Okay.
But Karnataka government, the mining is banned. So this is a out surface. It's a light turn work. See sir, the second part is there. On the top, you observe sir, on the top. That is an idea for interlocking for systems. See sir, there is interlocked. That on the top is the third part. These people they are not using other material like as a cement and then iron. They use only stone with interlocking system. That's why even today also this temple is a worldwide famous temple, and also it is a very challenge to our recent engineers, because at the time no technical engineers. So this temple belongs to Trikuta, triple shrine. Triple shrine means we call it as in Sanskrit Trikuta, only Ekakuta. Chaga Lord Channakeshava.
This is Trikuta.
This is Trikuta. Alabedu Dvikuta. Vaishaleshwara, Shantaleshwara. 2 Garbhagras. This is Trikuta. Another one temple near Asan, that is a Chatuskuta, Lakshmi temple. Another one temple near Mandya district, Kerpete in Govindanadi, there is a Panchakuta. Ekakuta, Dvikuta, Trikuta, Chatuskuta, Panchakuta. This temple speciality, triple shrine. And also this temple looks like they are carved in a single rock like us, but it's not single rock. This is not single rock. They have used nearly 5,000 interparts. All interparts out of the record and then assemble layer by layer shape. Because that gets a maximum surface area. That's why the whole temple platform like as a star shape. Some crocodiles, some turtles, some fishes. I show that another 8th incarnation of Vishnu. And then this is North India style, Nagara style. All North Indian temple like as a pyramidal.
Yeah.
Our South Indian temple structure. See, sir, this is Dravidian style. This is Dravidian style, rectangular. This is Dravidian, that is a Nagara style. Suppose both are mixed, we call it as a Vesara. See, sir, on the top, all the tower, on the top tower, and then wall looks like a both are mixture.
Okay.
See, sir, first line indicate from elephants. Across the temple, 540 elephant is there. Each one is different. Second line, lady warriors. And then third one is the lotus plants. This one indicated beauty, speed, and strength. Fourth panel tells us a Ramayana story. This side Ramayana, behind Bhagavata, that side Mahabharata. These all are different names of Vishnu. See, sir, here, only one head, two body, 2D, two dimension. And then see, sir, that windows outside is star shape. Outside is star shape, inside is square. This one that carries a cooler to inside the temple. That's why inside the temple is very, very cool. And then here comes some erotic picture. See, sir, here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kama Sutra pictures. And then this is the... And then this is the 8th incarnation of Vishnu, Buddha. Vamana. 5th incarnation of Vishnu. Vamana receiving the 3 booms.
Yeah.
When he got the 3 booms from Bali Chakravarti, show his real form.
Mahabali.
The Mahabali. Trivikrama from. And then this is Sheshnaga. Sheshnaga. But 3 snakes are damaged. And then happy Ganesha. And then Brahma's wife Saraswati. See, sir, here? And then Brahma's wife Saraswati. See, sir, here? Dasaratha, 4 sons, Sri Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana, Satrughna, they all are in their mother thighs. But Satrughna and then Lakshmana both are one mother. That's why both are they sat in a single tomb. And then see, sir, this is the 8th incarnation of Vishnu, Sri Krishna. This one 8th incarnation of Vishnu. And then this is Indra. In his hand also thunderbolt. And then this is the 7th incarnation of Vishnu, Sri Rama. In his hand also bow and arrow. And then this is the 8th, this is the 6th incarnation of Vishnu, Parashurama. In his hand holds an axe. An axe is gone here. He was very, very angry. And then here, Sita Swayamvara time. Sri Rama breaks the bow. And then here, Badrinarayana. And then here, Mahalakshmi, then lotus, bud. And then see, sir, very, very rare picture, dancing Lakshmi. Both side musician.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is Brahma, he was a creator. Brahma, creator, Vishnu, preserver, Shiva, destroyer. BVS, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. God, God. One generator, one operator, and then destroyer, God. Goddess of money, goddess of medicine, Dhanvantri. In his hand also a bowl of medicine. The first incarnation of Vishnu, Matsya, fish form. And then Kurma avatar, the second incarnation of Vishnu, Kurma. And then this is the third incarnation of Vishnu, Varaha. Varaha means a wild boar.
Varaha, right?
Varaha avatar. And then here, Maricha in the form of food.
So Ramayana. Yeah. See, sir?
There's a Lakshmana cut the Surpanakhi's nose and ears. Surpanakhi's long hair. And then here, villain of Ramayana, Ravana kidnapped of Sita Devi and then carried with Pushpamana, and then Jatayu avoided it and cut out the both wings of Jatayu. Then this is the 4th incarnation, Narasimha with wife, Lakshmi, Narasimha. And then vehicle of Vishnu, Garuda, eagle, on the top. See, sir, on his shoulder, Vishnu and Lakshmi. And then this is Indra, his wife Indrani. In his hand also thunderbolt, riding his elephant, white elephant, and Airavata.
Yeah. Total 540
40 and
elephants.
600 horses.
So what is the indication of that?
It is
elephants?
indication of the strength. Second one, indication of the speed. Fourth one, the third one, indication of beauty. And then, here, Kedarnatha Swami temple miniature on the top. The Kedarnatha, the middle icon, the middle tower, top tower, and then here Puri Jagannatha. Both temple built in 9th century. This temple built in 13th century. Once again, you can see on the top superstructure of the tower section. All interpot, outer set the cloud, and then assembly here, sir, part by part with the help of sand.
Oh,
Actually,
there's some sand.
actually, these people, sir, these Vaishnava people, they are very excellent in mathematics. But these people at the time, they were very, very excellent in mathematics. And also, they have introduced the basic mathematics and also. This is Keshava Mandir, that is Venugopala, another one Janardana, triple shrine. All are Vishnu. Because he had 1,000 names. Sir, Govardhanagiri events, sir. So many cows, cattle. And then here. Peacock, another is a swan. The mother swan gives some food to her babies here. 3 different sizes of babies, bigger, smaller, very smaller. The mother swan feeding to them. That food also they have carved in the stone. And also the baby sizes were shining. Both sides carving, see sir? That's why mother is great. The mother is real God. And then see sir here? Krishna dancing on the cobra. Calling an Ardhan. And then Krishna also Govardhan in single finger.
Yeah.
And then here Sala in 9th century. This event happened in 9th century near Assam district. Sala kills the lion in their Gurukula system.
Okay.
That's why he was a founder of this dynasty in 9th
right?
century.
Gurukula school.
Gurukula. Attacked by Malik Kafur in 1311. He was a chief commander of Alauddin Khilji.
Okay.
Second time from Muhammad bin Tughlaq in
So
1330.
that is there in the history, right?
Yes, they all are written in the history.
Yeah. This one.
Because the turtle carries the tower towards the west side. The second incarnation of Vishnu, Kurma Avatar. Then is God of love, Manmata or Kamadeva. In his hand also sugarcane stallet, but during invention time it's gone. He was very, very handsome. He was son of Krishna or Vishnu. See sir, this one is a masterpiece of this temple. Vishnu and then Lakshmi. This Lakshmi, they have sat on Vishnu lap and then put her leg on the lotus bud. Weight of her leg, lotus bud was bending and then supported from elephant trunk. And also our architecture, they have written their signature here. Ma Sani Tamma. And then there is another one architecture signature, Malli Tamma. Actually, this temple carved by 5 main architecture plus 500 assistants. That took build this temple 58 years, and also they have used only stone. That stone, so stone or soft stone. So this side Mahabharata started.
This is
Janardana. And then Janardana side, that tells us a Mahabharata story. This is a big banyan tree. In the tree, all Kauravas hiding in the tree, and then Bhima comes under the tree. He shakes the tree, all Kauravas fall down. Basic. The basic scene. And then this is all Arjuna. Arjuna uses a chariot, they goes with war. And then this is a Surya Narayana. In his both end was a lotus, and then two their wives. This is Usha Devi and then Chaya Devi. Usha means a morning, Chaya means evening, means a day and night. And also on the bottom, architecture signature Chaudaya in Kannada. This is Kannada because this dynasty belongs to Kannada dynasty. The name Vaisala. They ruled across southern part of India, 10th century to middle of 13th century. Because at the time Duryodhana was hidden in the farm, in the water. He was stimulated to Duryodhana. When he was stimulated, and then he comes out of the water, and then both are fighting each other, sir. Gadayuddha war scene. But they will not give any food to Bakasura, eating himself. And then Duryodhana, Bakasura was very angry, and then fight with Bhima. Finally, that Bhimasena kills him. And the top, see, sir, there's rainwater droplets. Even to the still works. Oh yes, see, sir, in the corner there is a hole. That all rain goes outside, and then it connected river Kaveri. Behind this temple, only half kilometer our great river Kaveri that flows, sir. And then see, sir, this is Shardamba, Sharda Devi, Sharda, but all ends were damaged. And then this is half face Vishnu, half face Shiva, Hari, Hara,
Harihara.
Harihara. You can observe eyebrow, both eyebrow difference, both eyes difference, both shoulder difference.
This one?
This one, Isis, eyelid. And then this is the second masterpiece of this temple, Mahishasuramardini. Durga Devi kills the demon. Actually, this demon, he was hidden in the form of a male buffalo. Then Durga Devi leaves the arrow to the buffalo. Then only he comes out. See, sir, his leg is coming out. When he comes out outside, and then Durga uses a spear. When this spear touches the demon's stomach, demon's intestine comes out. But during invention time, it's their trident is gone.
Okay.
See, sir, everywhere Malitama. That's why there is a strong Russian. These all different names because he had 1,000 names. This is Jaya and Vijaya. But our Vaishnava people have used only stone with interlocking system. Ceiling is different. Some are lotus bud, some are banana flower. But this only lotus bud is a single stone. It's hanging with interlocking system. During war time, its leaves were gone.
Okay.
See, sir, this is this lower part. This is south. South is god is Yama, their vehicle, male buffalo. And then opposite north. North is god Indu Kubera, their vehicle horse. And then this is west. West is god Varuna, god of rain, their vehicle crocodile.
Okay.
And then see, sir, northwest. Northwest is Vayu, god of wind, their vehicle spotted deer. This is southwest. Nairuti, god is Nairuti, their vehicle group of demons. And then this is Agni. This is southeast. Vehicle male god. And then this is east. Indra, god is Indra. Their vehicle Hairavata. And then this is northeast. Shiva, Ishanya. Vehicle is Nandi. And then once again observe, sir, the first circle is Lanas. Because in Vaishnavas there are total 64 alvas is there. That's why that one indicated 64 alvas. Water pond. This is a water pond. In the pond, see, sir, in the pond. In the pond, so many snakes, nothing to be there. It's infinite snakes, headless and headless snakes. But all were damaged during invention time. But lotus leaves were damaged, also damaged. See windows, sir. This windows outside a star shape, inside a sphere. This one that carries the cooler inside the temple. This is banana flower. This one is a banana flower. See, sir. So actually this temple is triple shade. Speciality is a triple shade. Venugopal, Keshav. single stones, only fruit is gone. Right top, near the nail. That one's a damage. And once again, you observe, sir, here there is a fish near the wheel. Fish, see sir, there is a fish.
Yeah.
Next turtle, there is a five the Shavatara in the edge miniature, and also that side also five different incarnation of Vishnu.
Yeah.
The last is a Buddha. See sir, there is a Buddha.
Okay.
All five different incarnations. There is a Kirtimukha, Yali. See sir, these fingers. They are wearing so many rings, and then they are wearing so many jewels. And then here, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, they sat on elephant ivory. Both side elephant comes. That's why her name Gaja Lakshmi. Gaja Lakshmi. And then this is Keshwa. This Keshwa 30% like I said damage. And then what you have seen here, same as well as inside, but this is not real one. This is a missing. The original is National History Museum at London. This is replica.
Oh, it has gone to London.
Yes. We are not taking any care about it. See what is highly what type of the temple, but their careness.
Now, why this is not reported?
Yeah, they are not. They are not take our. See sir, this is a replica. You can compare to both icon of this icon. This is not real one. This is the original. And then put her leg on the lotus bud.
This is there outside also.
Outside, but here lotus is not bending, and also elephant is not supported. Outside they are supported.
time is around 1:30. We spent an hour here. Now heading towards our next destination, Mysore. I will come up with more visuals in next video. Thank you for watching.